overwhelmed and burned out with your work schedule and unsure what to do? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to find balance between responsibilities and self-care. Join me as I discuss practical methods to prioritize self-care through easy and short rituals that can be incorporated into your schedule today, allowing you to find balance and calm even in the most hectic days. If you're new here, hi, my name is Margarida, a former event planner turned yoga teacher in midlife. Throughout the decade I work in high-pressure events, I implemented these self-care practices that I'm going to share with you today. Tip number 1, morning rituals. One of the best ways to set up the tone for the day is to create your morning rituals. This is as simple as waking up 15 minutes earlier than usual. Starting the day with movement shifts your day towards positivity. Another practice that also can take only 5 minutes is mindful breathing. As soon as you wake up, you can just sit in your bed with the spine straight, close your eyes and focus in your breath. So take deep breath, inhaling through your nose and exhaling mouth or nose. Inhaling deep down into your nose and exhaling. Try to prolong your exhale each time. This can help you ground yourself before the day starts. Another practice that you can do in 5 minutes is a meditation to set your intention for the day. You can even set an alarm in your phone if you really only have 5 minutes. So by closing your eyes, take a moment to visualize the day that is going to unfold ahead. Set the intention for the day ahead to be smooth, positive, and productive. Imagine the different segments of the day unfolding impeccably well. Also visualize the people you are going to meet and your interaction with them. Tip 2. Quick stress relief practices at work. Alright, now we move into your work day. Sometimes when we have work overload or pressure from a demanding job, stress hits us, right? Let's talk about some quick exercises that you can do at work and can help you to release in just 5 minutes at your workspace. When you spend many hours in front of the computer in a stiff position without moving arms and neck and head, suddenly you will feel a little bit of neck pain, shoulder pain. Some desk stretches are really useful at this point. Take a moment to stretch out your neck, shoulders, your wrists. You can even do it in the chair where you are sitting in front of your desk. Inhale, raise your arms overhead and stretch side to side. I'm sure there are moments that you really feel stressed and you need a pause. So I suggest you try this 5-minute mindfulness. Set a timer and spend the next 5 minutes focusing on your breathing. Close your eyes and lose yourself in each breath. I'm sure you have heard about walking meditation. So during your lunch break, step outside for a quick walk. Or you also can do this when you walk to your car or to the metro or bus station. Bring your awareness to the physical sensations of feeling your feet as you walk. Feel your surroundings. Notice the sensation of the air in your skin, the sounds that arise, and just try to be present. Tip number 3, evening wind down ritual. As your day winds down, it's essential to give yourself a moment to unplug. So, digital detox. Before bed, turn off screens and connect with yourself through reading or journaling. I spend some time writing my 5 minutes journal in the evening. It helps me to bring to mind the highlights of the day. If you find yourself feeling too tense from the day, you can use some relaxation techniques like mindful breathing or even light movement that can ease the stress out of your body before you go to sleep. Consider guided meditation or light yoga to help ease tension. Before going to bed, you can also prepare for tomorrow. Take a few minutes laying out your clothes that you are going to wear tomorrow. And if you still have something pending, you can write tomorrow's to-do list in a paper. These small steps can help you reduce the mental load when you wake up. These little practices are not just for the weekend. They can fit easily into your daily routine. Just require a little of discipline. Thanks for joining me. Remember, self-care doesn't need to take up a big chunk of your day. Just small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in your well-being.